Hi, I'm meteorologist TJ Del Santo. Hope you're having a good Tuesday. The tropics remain very busy. We're going to concentrate only on the tropics here. We've got two storms that we're tracking, two hurricanes at Franklin and Idalia. Franklin's the bigger impact to us. Let's take a close look at it. Still a Category 4 hurricane. Winds of 130 miles an hour. In fact, a close-up look shows some interesting things going on here. It's what we call a eye wall replacement cycle. You can kind of see the eye kind of collapsing here. We're going to be seeing this storm still pretty strong over the next couple of days. Category 4, maybe down to a Category 3 eventually, but notice the path. It's going to pass about 500 miles off to our south and east. Good news there, not even hitting Bermuda, but still looking at some big waves impacting southern New England starting later today and especially on Wednesday, 6 to 8 foot waves, maybe even some higher waves at times. Those waves will maybe create some beach erosion and also some dangerous rip currents. So kind of keep that in mind over the coming days. Water temperatures, meanwhile, down in the Gulf of Mexico, mid to upper 80s, some spots even around 90 degrees, like bathwater down here. So you get a hurricane in the Gulf of Mexico, and the development is going to be explosive. And that's what we're seeing right now. These thunderstorms are just blossoming around the center of the hurricane in the Gulf of Mexico. So let's track Idalia. Right now we have hurricane warnings in effect from Tampa all the way up to Panama City. The storm is expected to continue to strengthen, perhaps making landfall in what we call the Big Bend of Florida, what connects the peninsula to the Panhandle, around Cedar Key, maybe a little bit north of there, around 8 o'clock Wednesday morning. Could have winds of 125 miles an hour. And then the storm impacts the Carolinas and over into the Atlantic again. But Florida going to get hit with a dangerous storm surge, destructive winds, and a lot of rain. Looks like Idalia will miss us, but we'll keep the ocean pretty churned up right into the weekend. So you're going to want to stay tuned, especially to the details of Franklin. They'll be giving us some big waves over the coming days. We'll have all the latest information coming up on 12 News.